I'm sitting here enjoying a beer. This Roadrunner gets super close to me. He must feel safe around me. I think I've seen him before. He's seen me before. Just out here enjoying a beer. Enjoying the water. Super curious little fella. Maybe he wants some ice. Or my Miller Lite.
Look how close this Roadrunner is.
Looks pretty hot. Yep, time for a drink. Maybe a bumblebee. Wash it down with some water. Those beautiful feathers. Washing down the bumblebee with some nice pond water. Taking in the rays. Such a beautiful bird.